Hello, Kenta friends. Today, we will dive into the features of Caro Panorama Scroll and Panorama for Instagram, two powerful tools that can elevate your Instagram posts with stunning panoramic images. Caro Panorama Scroll. Caro Panorama Scroll is a unique Android application that allows users to create seamless panoramic images easily for their Instagram posts. This app offers a user-friendly interface with various tools and features to help users stitch multiple photos together seamlessly. With Caro Panorama Scroll, users can capture wide landscapes or group photos without the need for a professional camera or advanced editing skills. The app enables users to scroll through the panoramic image smoothly, providing a captivating viewing experience for their followers on Instagram. Panorama for Instagram. Panorama for Instagram is a dedicated Android application designed to enhance users' Instagram posts with stunning panoramic images. This app simplifies the process of creating panoramic photos by providing users with tools to seamlessly merge multiple pictures into one panoramic image. Panorama for Instagram offers customization options to adjust the orientation, size, and alignment of the panoramic image, ensuring the final result meets users' preferences. By using this app, Instagram users can showcase breathtaking landscapes or immersive group photos that stand out on their Instagram feeds. In conclusion, Caro Panorama Scroll and Panorama for Instagram offer Android users convenient ways to create seamless panoramic photos for their Instagram feed.